I have 2 out of 4 of these series left for sale. They're called Annie Rose. The reason for Annie Rose is obviously I was trying to create a rose. It ended up looking a little bit more like a carnation, but that's okay. The meaning is there and the sentiment is all there. Annie is my mother-in-law. Her middle name was Rose, and so Lauri has always loved that name, and I made it for a little continuation of that intimacy and that feeling in the family. If you notice though, this is a lot of different styles that I created anew in my photo sculpture. Not only did I get to throw the paint and paint, okay, but I also added a lace background. So it gave it a very different color and texture, a mood. And then with the use of the antique gold and the copper bronze colors, it made it look much more heavy and metallic. This piece here, the vase, was the skin technique that I was talking about, where I wanted to use more structural base. And so in order to do that, I needed some kind of metal work besides the woodwork that's behind this holding it up. And the metal work was then weaved together so that you can actually see the weave through it, re-embellished in the colors that would, of course, work here, and developed into a cornucopia or a vase. The flowers themselves have hundreds of leaves. Each one of them have been worked, and each one of them are unique. You'll also see a little bit of my signature petals in there with my inscription, and they're beautiful pieces. Like I say, I've got 2 left, and so I'm happy to share Annie Rose with you.